All right, guys, take elevators. Wait, what wine store is this, Dad? What place is this?
I don't know.
Mom, what place is this? What place is this? Sir, what is this place?
This?
Yes.
This one in general? Like the Trattoria Saporito.
It's a Saporito. So this is the Saporito restaurant in downtown Pittsburgh, in the Strip District. We have a green tam light X sign, LH Cone Lady. We just came out of the cheer comp, which is very nice. And the Eagles. Yep. And we're gonna ride the elevator to Dover Impulse. We had to make this video real quick because my mom's the phone's dying, so. See your Impulse picture. This is the Strip. Look what I did. I painted my nail. Come on. Oh, here it is. I don't want to film somebody. Let's go to one. This is Dover. Yeah, guys. All right, this is only one. All right, I'm gonna end the video here because it's gonna be dying. So, green tam light unit X sign, smoke alert classic, fire alarm system, RSST bar. All these lights. That goes inside the. Oh, I don't. Oh, you see our lady? Green tam light X sign. Green tam light.